Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of Bunda, Anak, and Anak, Lanang. Today, me and my friend Dennis are gonna do a food review of this brand called Releaf. This is basically a salad bowl and it's called Caesar Vibes. I'm definitely excited. How about you, Dennis?
I'm so excited to try this out, guys.
Alright, can't wait. Okay, now we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Wow, sealed tight.
Wow, that looks really good.
Amazing. Oh, I can see some romaine leaf, beef ham, grated cheese, and eggs. Wow. Oh, chickens as well.
And guys, this is halal, so any of you out there.
Shall we pour the toppings?
Let's go. Well, what dressing is that, Vin?
This is actually the ranch and Caesar dressing. It's a mixture up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Who shall? Wow, that was really good.
It says in the box to just open and pour the toppings, then close it back and just shake it. After that, ready to eat.
Here we got some croutons, parmesan.
Very excited.
Alright, shall we go for a little shake?
Show them then. Show them how it's done.
What level shake it should we go?
Gradually increase.
Gradually increase, alright. Start slow.
Just higher.
Higher. Oh, okay.
Alright.
Is this shaking now?
Yeah.
Alright, so shall we taste that? I'll take a fat bite.
Take one of the leaves.
Let's see.
Wow. I'm sorry guys, we're really enjoying this right now. How was it then?
Some moments in life leave you speechless. This is one of those moments. It's just the lettuce is so fresh.
It's bright, it's vibrant.
And the dressing and everything just meshes together. What do you think?
The combination of like the cheese, the croutons, the texture, it's like a mouthgasm. Unbelievable.
The eggs, everything, just like. Shall we rate it?
I think so.
At the same time?
Sure.
In 3. 3, 2, 1. 9.
Yeah, 8.5.
Average. So guys, just buy this, it's so good.
Definitely a recommendation. Really cheap, really affordable, very convenient, packed really nicely. Relief, I think, is the way.
I would literally eat this every day.
Oh, fun fact. Actually, this Caesar Vibes is only 332 kilocalories. So it's very, very, very healthy and a good option for lunch or dinner.